Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to solve a problem on string. So basically the problem statement is like if you are given a string, for example this, and you will be given a count like this, okay, or say like this. So it should allow only those many characters of particular character, okay. For example, A is allowed, B is allowed, C is allowed, but if C is occurring once more, then it should not allow, and the resultant output should be A, B, double C, double D, okay. If it is just one, then it should be A, B, C, D, okay. So whatever input we get, that many number of character it should return, okay. So let's write a function like, let's say string collector, something like that, okay. And then we will be given a string and a character, say k, okay. So what we will do, we will create the empty string first, okay. Then for I in s, what we will do, if h dot count of I is less than k, then what we will do, h plus is equal to this string, that's it guys, okay. And we will return h, and we need to write one more condition. If k is less than or equal to 0, we need to return some message like none, okay. So for now, let's check this. Print string collector, and let's pass a string like A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, A, okay. And what we'll do is we'll print give the number as only 1, okay. For now, just let's give 1, okay. So let's see what will be the output, okay. What is happening here? Y less than h plus, okay. I need to append I, right? Sorry, I need to append I. So it is giving, so 2 A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E and A, okay. So if I give just 1 here, then we will get A, B, C, D, E, okay. It is working fine. And if I give 0 here, it should return us none, okay. And let's see whether it works for something like A, B, 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 and again A, okay. And let's take 4, okay. 4 A's and B is 3, okay. Yeah, fine. Yeah, so the code is working fine guys. So this is a string collector. Basically it strips the string, or what you can say, it will return the string of given specified characters itself, okay. So hope this helps. So this was a simple code on string, and yeah, that's it. So if you learned something from this video, and if you are able to optimize this code more efficiently than mine, then you can just comment out your code in the comment section so that everybody can learn, okay. So hope you understood this code and learned something from this video. If you do hit that subscribe button. Until then, take care, bye bye.